this Christmas. Hello, good morning guys. Today is December 23rd. Yeah, December 23rd already. And yeah, last night guys, I haven't vlog. I know yesterday I haven't vlogged that long, and I wasn't able also to end the vlog properly because the phone just died. The phone died, and because it's been, you know, low bat for a while, and I keep vlogging anyway. We are very busy yesterday, and today is a cleaning day guys. Cleaning day. I don't have any vlog for today either. Where is Roxy? Get down here. Good girl. You listen to mama, huh? You listen to mama. You have down? A lot of cleaning. Are you gonna help me vacuuming? Are you gonna help me to vacuum? Is this right there? And anyway, Tommy left 3 o'clock this morning. So that's it. And because he's working, and so he left. He's so tired guys. We've been driving, running. You know, we've been like, we're everywhere yesterday. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm laptop again. You guys, I supposedly video is up this hour, but it's not here, so it's not uploaded yet because not edited yet. So I'm gonna edit this guys. I'm gonna keep editing this and then eat my breakfast and then upload it later. It's time to make breakfast. I can't keep going editing. I can't just keep going. It's my head here, like every side of my head is hurting. I'm just gonna continue the Christmas decoration because there is few that I need to do. Well, I don't really do like crazy decoration. It's just I have to put all the thing that I got from dollar store. I started defrosting the, how do you call, the roast beef and the leg of lamb, and we're gonna have leg of lamb, and then roast beef, which is really big, and we have also pork. So we have 3 different kind of meat. It's not really easy to do daily vlogging guys. It's crazy. I don't have kids, huh? Can you imagine those people that do daily vlogging and they have kids and they have stuff to do like that, you know? Me, I just like don't have kids. Well guys, I can do it. It's just this time, just this time I can do because it's almost Christmas and we are preparing stuff and we are moving stuff and we're like running around all over the place. So we can't really like, I don't have problem doing daily vlog guys. I don't have any problem of that, unless if I'm busy, like if I'm doing something with Tommy like that, running around. That means hungry guys, hungry guys. Yo, you 2 of you annoying. You just be here for 1 day. You started being annoying already. Oh, Tommy don't get any cocktail sauce. I'm done editing. I'm uploaded it right now. And yeah, so it's processing to be ready to view. Look at it. Hi babies. Hi Mickey. Hello. Hi Rookty Rook. Hello Rookty 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 Rook. Rookty Rook. Rookty 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 Rook. I don't like the rug. This is the problem when you are like buying stuff late. You have to buy it just because you have something to put in or to use. Excuse me guys. And that's what happened. We don't even think about it because Tommy decided to put the table that big. Ito guys, naana ni gisi. Sa bilahan gisi na ni ba? Gisi na ni sa bilahan guys kini. Di lang na ako ilabay. Pwede madala pa man siguro na ako nagtahi, oy. Sorry, I have to speak in Tagalog or Bisaya. May ano na, may punit na tong sa ano, sa gitna. So ano ba? Ilalabay ko ba ito or ikikip at saka tatahiin ko. Come here, good girls. Come in. That's my girls, good girls. Iba talaga ang table pag lang mababa yung tablecloth. Pag mababa yung tablecloth. Wala kasing yung mataas na mas mataas pa sa measurement ng table. Mahirap maghanap ng table lalo na kapag malaki. 120 by 60. So maghanap ka talaga ng 140 by 140 by 75, 70, ganyan. So mahirap maghanap. So hindi kami nakahanap. We can't find any that size. And extra sizes for the table. Ay, so yun. Ay, ko pa tong. Tapos ko na yung lang guys, yung salin. Ito lang ang kakainin ko, yung salin kagabi. Salin, ano ba yan sa English? Yung salin leftover kagabi, guys. Yun lang ang kakainin ko. At saka rice. At saka yung maanghang na suka. Hi, guys! I'm still cleaning house. Oh my god, there's so many things to do, guys. I am cleaning here the laundry area. And the bathroom. And here, that's the rug that's supposedly here. I'm not sure if I will put that right here because I like it better when there's no when there is no goodness rug here. Yeah, I cleaned up. I get the stuff out here. That's only for we use it. And I'm doing laundry. I still have a lot of stuff here. Yeah, I keep stopping to watch the talk. But I have to keep going because tomorrow, what I'm gonna do tomorrow is cut what I need to do. Like cut stuff for cooking. Oh god, time check now, guys. Hold on, time check. Time check is 12:20. So yeah, so this dog is just keep following me, look. You just keep following me, are you? When I was in the Philippines, it reminds me every Christmas, before Christmas, like 24 or 23rd. It's always like the restaurant, the grocery store. It's always busy. I remember when I was in Cebu, guys. After work, I always stop to where is that? Gaisano Main. At bang lang sa kuan, the oldest kulon. At bang sa Cebu Business Hotel, may it's not really that across the street of Cebu Business Hotel. It's I think it's across the street of University of not Carlos. University of, I don't know. I forgot. It's his called. It's a college. I always bought their bread. I always buy bread over there. What else? Not just bread. Cake. They have really good. My god, the baker over there, guys. They are the best. So yeah, I'm gonna just relax for now. I think I'm gonna make some dried fish. When they send me some dried fish, I don't look at it yet, but it's in the refrigerator. I have to look at it. We don't have. I forgot to buy a cover on that thing, guys. The Christmas tree. I forgot. Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The Christmas tree, the jacket. Just leave it like that. So this couch, guys, it's huge. Like they are big couches. They're big. I don't know if you can see from here. That's big, right? Tommy said, I like it better when there's no furniture here. So where are we gonna sit if there's no furniture? Because maybe she doesn't like the fact that our couch is big. He wanted like a small one, gray color, plain. This one is dark brown. And yeah, well, this is brand new anyway. It's not really that old, so. And it's a good, very, very comfortable couch, guys. Very comfortable, so we can't let it go. And it's rocking couch. This one and that one, and recliner. And the middle of that one is a recliner also, and this one have a massage in both recliner. Guys, eat your din din. Oh my goodness. You eat your din din? Did you eat your din din? So now you wanna go out? Do you wanna go out now? Okay, let's go out now. Okay, let's go out. They always after having dinner or after having meal, after they eat, they always wanted to pee, especially Roxy. Roxy, no barking. No barky barky. What you guys doing? Are you playing or fighting? What is that? Tell me. Okay, in. Roxy, in. Hindi pa rin ako nag-decide kung anong kakainin ko. Uy! Bakit ba ganito ang buhay ko? Kailangan bang magtatanong pa kung ano ang kakainin ko? Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya? So anyway guys, I will see you later. Later, okay guys? Hindi ako nagbablog guys kasi sobrang kapoy na ako guys. Sobrang tired na ako. Sobrang tired na tired. Wala pa nga akong ligo. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Ay, ang bango-bango ko na guys. Sobrang bango na. Sobrang bango. So, hindi ko, kapag naka-start na kasi ako, if I'm starting working, it's just I don't wanna stop until I forget to shower. And right now, it is 5:42. It's almost 6 o'clock. And then, oh my God, that time goes really fast. Hi guys, ito na yun guys. I-ano natin nitong light ha. I-turn on natin itong light na to. Oh my God! My friend Wendy sent me the buwad, the dried fish. This dried fish is, this light over there is blue, so I look like a blue. But anyway, she knows somebody that makes some dried fish. And there you go, look guys, it looks really fresh guys, as in guys, it's no joke. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat this. Okay, let's fry it. This house is gonna be stinky. This house is gonna be stinky. I'm happy that Tommy is not here, guys. He will be making fun. He won't complain, guys. Tommy won't complain like, oh my God, why you cooking it here? Why you doing this? And da 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 da. He won't do that because he is, you know, he always like, he let me just do what I want. And he won't complain or anything. But the thing is, he will always make fun. The way he complain, the way he's complaining is, it's like making fun of me. Like that's the way he is. I will open windows. Oh shucks. To make sure that this thing can get out. That the smell can get out. Okay, Rox? But I will open the window. Tommy bought also a things for here for Christmas. Yeah, from home. Oh, he got this from Walmart. So yeah, hand towel. Here it is, guys. This is my buwad. It looks so good. Honestly, it looks really good. Look at it. Look how good it is. And the spicy vinegar with this. So, who's hungry right now? And I eat rice. I finished the rice. I'm gonna finish it because this is really, really good. I am thankful that I decided to have this for dinner. And let's see, where is the dog? Where are the dog? Well, I know it stink over here now. I know it stink. The house right now stink. Not stink. It smells like dried fish. Smells really good. But if there's another people here, they probably run away. Run away, run away. There's my rice, guys. There's a lot of rice. Let's have some din din. Din din. Christmas. Ay, little thing, little this, little that. You cry for no reason all the time. Little that. Anyway, guys. Ay, Christmas, you know. I changed, guys. I changed. This is the same thing, but you know, I wore this the other night. But let me see this. It breaks my heart. I mean, you know, away from my side of my family is really hard. Even though there's misunderstanding, even when you call, there's always a misunderstanding. The thing about I miss the Philippines is when there's gathering, you forget the problem, you know, when there's like, when just everybody, even just when the neighbors is around and you are getting together, having fun, talking, and you know, it's not a party, but you forget the problem, you know. And that's how I miss it, especially Christmas in the Philippines. You know that, guys. You know the difference. In here is just, you know, regular day. I mean, it's like shopping, doing that. It's like everybody is busy doing shopping here. That's sometimes you forget that, you know, the important thing is get together. I mean, everybody has been shopping to give gifts. And me, gift, guys, it's not, I don't grow up with gifts, okay? And I'm happy enough. I'm happy when just, you know, the family. It's like, no matter who we are, like, you know, if it's not your family, even if it's the other side of the family, as long as there's people around, like, eat the same time and talk and laugh and drink. And yeah, as Filipino, it's like fun. It's more fun. It's like we do karaoke, we're dancing, we're golfing around, it is very different. I miss the Philippines, the papu talk. I don't know, guys. It gives me teary eyes, that. But anyway, guys. Anyway, I put a hi, guys. Insert shout out. I'm not using the laptop because it's dark in here. I'm not. This is after Christmas already, but I just uploaded the video late. And today is 26th of December, but I'm just gonna insert this clip, guys, for you. Shout out to, I'm not gonna talk loud because Thomas is still sleeping, he's tired. So I'm gonna do a shout out to Charlene Ibrada. Hi Charlene, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I'm still tired, but I got up anyway. It's late already, it's 12:42 in the afternoon, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching. And also I have to say thank you to my friend Beth. Her channel is Petty Girl. Hi Beth, thank you so much for sending me the nice sweater. Is that you call it sweater, I think, right? It's really nice. I really appreciate it so much. Give kisses. Thank you Beth so much for the gift, and thank you also for the cards. I really appreciate it. Kisses to JP and Nikolai and to Elliot. Merry Christmas to all of you guys, and Happy New Year to all of you. Okay, I put the Eskinol. I use the Eskinol, guys. It's really nice. It smells good. Every time you put Eskinol on your face, I don't know, I just miss that smell of the Eskinol. So I put that. I don't wash my face because my eyes has been hurting, so I don't want to wash it. So I just like rub it with the Eskinol like that, and then I put a lot of moisturizer. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna edit this video right here for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna be really busy for tomorrow, guys. Believe me, I'm gonna be busy. And so hi guys, matulog na ako, guys. Yep, I just hung up to Tommy, and he's gonna get out from work like 10:30 something tonight. On time check, it's already 8:27 in the evening. And anyway, guys, thank you guys all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, just click down the button below, guys. There is a subscribe button, red one. Click that if you like to keep watching, you know, vlog from me. If you like it, if not, it's okay. Hit the like button if you do like the video. And yeah, thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys, night. So we just put it back. Tommy's right out there. I don't know if you can see him, but he is right